Welcome to the Ivan's Art channel, where you will see some of the best spray paint art here on YouTube. If you like this video, be sure to give this video a like. If you want to keep up with my paintings, the best ways are to click the notification bell and to follow me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram page will be in the description. If you are interested in purchasing some of my artwork, go check out my website. The link to my website will also be in the description. Also, share this video with your friends and family. And one more thing, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be challenging myself. I'm going to be attempting to make at least 20 spray paintings today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it. Plane, shut up. Ruining my video. As I said, today I'm going to be attempting to make 20 paintings today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I don't know if it's possible, but I don't really think that it's not going to be impossible, because spray paint does dry very, very easily. And if you apply a hair dryer to it, or if you apply fire to it, it dries even quicker. Today, as you can see, we are going to be making 20 of the Hellfire Club paintings that I made a while back. For those of you who haven't seen it, I will leave a link in the description, and I'll leave it in the cards right here. I'm going to be using a tactic to complete 20 paintings. Hopefully it'll work. Now I'm going to let you guys know right now, I am very, very close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 970 right now, and so 30 more should do it. If you guys like what I do, if you guys appreciate what I do, make sure you guys share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, enough talk. Let's get right into it. All right, unfortunately, my respirator broke, so hopefully I don't pass out from the fumes and, you know, getting high and all that stuff. So hopefully I'll be okay. I think I will. Oh, I forgot to start a timer. All right, we're set. All right, so this is still wet, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. Now, as we're waiting for this to dry, we're gonna start on another one. These damn gloves. There we go. All right, now we wait for this one to dry and, you know, do another one, and then repeat the process over and over and over again until you finally have 20. I think, and I say I think because I don't really know, like, what tactics to do, what tactics to use, or whatever, but I think the key is to always keep doing something, no matter what. Being productive is key. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. When those two dry, I will then continue. I will leave the timer on. Right now I'm close to 15 minutes right now, so yeah, I will in real time, because I'm editing all this stuff out, but yeah, or I'm editing all the stuff that isn't required for the video out. But yeah, I'm almost at 15 minutes right now, so I'm doing pretty good. 2 paintings in 15 minutes, that's actually pretty good. Okay, I am back. So it took actually it took 3 paintings. I just decided to do a 4th one, but it took 3 paintings total to dry the very first one that I did. So we're gonna get back to that one right now. So the second one that I made is still a little tacky, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry even longer. I'm gonna continue making, I'm gonna continue to like do the outline part of it still though. So I'm back and I've gotten all of those except for that one right there in just under 40 minutes. So yeah, I think we're doing pretty good right now. I just made this one. And so far, I think this one right here has the best background so far. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 7, including this one. Okay, so unfortunately, I have completely ran out of room. I could put it right there, but I don't know where I would put my stencils. But yeah, I'm pretty much out of room. This one's almost dry. So yeah, as they're all drying, I'm gonna take the trash out because I've also ran out of paper. I'm gonna take the trash out, grab some more paper. I'll be right back. Right now, we're at 1 hour and 5 minutes. I look like a pineapple. So I just realized something. So I realized that I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the very last step on each painting. I think I'm gonna be able to do the step before the last step on each painting, because the last step on each painting is to put glow-in-the-dark pigment on all my paintings to make it look real cool and to make it glow in the dark, obviously. The reason why is because I don't have enough glow in the dark pigment. I did not think that through. I only have 2 colors. I have this one's blue and this one's red. The reason why it doesn't look red is because it's see-through, which I like a lot better than this glow-in-the-dark pigment where you can see the actual pigment. So yeah, that is why I don't think I'm gonna be able to complete 20, but I'll be able to do 20 paintings without completing the last step on all the paintings. So I just found this. I did not realize I had this. This is green, actually. So there's not a whole lot in here, and I don't really like the color green, but there are people in the world who do. I guess I'm gonna be making some green glow-in-the-dark paintings. I hope that's okay. I hope I'm allowed to break the rules, because the way how I see it, you know, Hellfire's club is really like a reddish color, but I don't have enough red, and blue looks really cool. We'll see how it looks. So all of them have the Eddie Munson on them, rocking out on his guitar and all that. Fortunately, none of them are dry yet. This is still tacky. Like, listen. Like, when I pull my finger off, it sounds like I'm like my finger is a wax strip and it's just ripping it off. So, all right, it's not fully dry, but I've been waiting out here for almost 2 hours, and I can't wait any longer. The day's gonna go by real quick. If it gets ruined today, we could fix it. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much. All right. That actually looks like, wow. I was so expecting things to go far south than that. All right. No, we're good. Okay. All right. That works for me. All right. That's gonna take some time to dry. It's coming together, guys! It's coming together. This is supposed to be Red Thunder, in case if y'all were wondering what this was. It's turning out okay-ish. It's not as epic as I want it to be. I haven't really been able to figure out how to make it more epic, but I still think it looks cool. Now we wait for that one to dry. I'm gonna do the rest of them off camera. I just don't think I have enough storage for it, but I will record when everything is dried. All right, I have done all of them. I think I was a little too overconfident that I was gonna be able to get 20 done. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, dang! Could have made 10. I still might be able to, but I don't know quite yet. Time is running. The sun is going down a little bit. I gotta hurry these up. Like I said, I mean, like, I wasn't gonna be able to completely finish everything, even if I did hit 20. It is what it is. Okay. All right, I have finished the 3. I made one in black, as you just saw earlier. So yeah, I made those 3 already, which took about maybe 35 minutes to do. For those of you who are confused about when I said I might not be able to do the last step, I'm gonna be able to do the step before the last step. This is it right here. This is the step before the last step. All right, I have finished all of them. There are 2 up right underneath my carport. I'm in the backyard right now. Unfortunately, I had to throw one away. It just didn't turn out. There was no crackle effect to it whatsoever, even though I sprayed a bunch of crackle effect on it. But yeah, that's all of them. The 2 that are underneath the carport should be dry, so we're gonna grab those. We're gonna put the glow in the dark powder on them, and then we are going to test it out and see if it works. So yeah, we got this stencil right here that I made a while back. I'm gonna put it on top just like this. Oops, sorry, I'm unfocused. Line it up as best as possible. As you can see, I put another piece of paper on top, like around where the stencil is, so like you can actually see the gap in between this stencil and this stencil right here. The reason for that is so that I can like kind of get it in one good image, instead of it just the glow in the dark pigment just being all over the place. Yeah, let's get started. So yeah, we're just bringing it in the house right now. Just letting it, it's not really sunny outside right now. That's as good as the sun is right there. But hopefully when I bring it in, you can kind of see it. I have a black light if you can't. So yeah, you can see with the night light that it's really reacting very well. Just gonna do some quick sweeps around it. Then we're gonna turn this black light off, and then we're gonna turn the lights off. Oh, that hurt. Okay. All right, hang on. Sorry about that. And oh yeah. Yeah, see what I mean? Wait, hang on. See what I mean? There's not a whole lot of red glow in the dark powder, a whole lot anymore. It's all the way at the bottom. There's no way this is gonna get me another full painting done. So I have to order more, and I will get back to y'all on that. And this is what the blue looks like. As you can see, I really like the blue one because it's much more like showy. I don't even have to turn off the lights. You can already see it, but we're gonna do it anyways. You can even see some of the painting in the background. Like if you look close, you can see like the background of it. What's up everyone, Ivan from the future here. So unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do 20 paintings in one day, which I haven't really done anyways because it's actually the next day and I just woke up and I'm very, very tired. And it's supposed to rain today in a few minutes. So yeah, I could have gotten done, I can't speak, I just woke up, I'm very tired. Had it not rained, I could have done more of those Hellfire Club paintings. Unfortunately, like I said, it's gonna rain. And not only that, but I don't have enough glow-in-the-dark pigment, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to complete all 20 paintings, as I said before. I've completely ran out of the blue pigment. The red one's almost gone. I could try the green one that I have. I have a green glow-in-the-dark pigment, but I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, as you guys know, the original attempt was to make 20 paintings, and since that failed, I'm gonna be titling this video how to make 10 paintings. Even though I didn't make 10 paintings, I made 9 paintings, but I could have made 10 because it was like, I was so close. I feel like this tactic really, really works. So yeah, for those of you who are kind of confused on what I did and how I did it in all in one day, what I did was that I made my background first thing, and then I waited for it to dry. And as it was drying, I started on a new one, did that background, waited for that to dry. As it was drying, I started a new one, and so on and so on and so on. And that's pretty much what I did for the entire time. And that actually ended up getting me 8 paintings done, which is awesome because I didn't realize you could actually do that. Because usually what I do is that I would just focus on one painting and I would just like sit around and do nothing and wait for that to dry. And I would just be so bored out of my mind and I just didn't want to wait forever. But I feel like this tactic is really useful because you can get a lot more done and fill up your inventory a lot more. The time that I finished this at was up to almost 4 hours. And I'm estimating right now because there were times where I took a break and I hit pause because I just didn't want to count that towards the time consumption of how long it would take for me to finish these paintings. So I hit pause, and when I was ready to work again, I forgot to hit pause. So right now I'm assuming that it took up to almost 4 hours or 4 hours at the most. But yeah, that's how you get up to 8 to 10 paintings done in one day. You probably could get more done if you wake up like right when the sun rises. Like for me, I didn't do that. I woke up around noon and started my paintings at 1, and by the time it was like 4 or 5 o'clock, the sun was kind of going down a little bit, so I had to stop there. I should have been smart enough to just wake up earlier and just start when the sun came up. But hey, you live and you learn. Anyways, that is all for this video, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, make sure you guys subscribe and click that notification bell to get notified for my upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and family. That would really help my channel a lot, you guys. And one more thing, comment on what I should do next. Comment. I am like open to ideas, you guys. The only thing I don't do are portraits, just to keep in mind. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.